Okay. So in interest and annuity, first let us see what are the syllabus, what are the things you are going to learn. The first thing you are going to learn is simple interest. Second is compound, and third is EMI actually. EMI using reducing balance method and flat interest system. That is EMI. And last one is annuity. Annuity, that is regular, and whether it is due, whatever it is. So we'll see that. So let us first start with the simple interest. What do you mean by simple interest? Anybody? What is simple interest? Mostly it is denoted by I और SI बोला तभी भी चलेगा. Is the interest calculated on the original principal alone for the time during which money lent is being used. Okay, simple interest is your interest will be calculated only on your original principal amount. Okay. So this interest actually depends on your principal and time and rate. That's it. And what is the general form if you go with how to calculate and simple interest SI can be computed by applying the following formula. Yes, 10th में पढ़ा होगा तुम लोग ने. If your P is your principal, yes, and N is number of year, and R percent per annum, then you can say rate of interest. Then what is simple interest? SI, that is equal to PNR upon 100. Okay, PNR upon 100. Sometimes people used to say PRT. For number of years, that is time period, they used to put T. That is also okay, or if you write PNR, that is also okay, no issue. Okay, so this is the formula. So this is your simple interest. If somebody asked you that what is final amount, yes, and this is rate percent. Huh? Actually, let us see how this formula came first of all. Okay, this is just, you may write like this. SI is equal to principal into time into rate percent divided by 100. That's it. And if you want to find amount, Amount will be principal plus interest. That is P plus PNR upon 100. So you can take P outside. You'll be having 1 plus NR upon 100. So this is your simple interest formula. If two of the quantity is known and third you have to find, then you can easily do that. Let us see some example quickly. How much simple interest will be earned on 1500 at 5% per annum for 3 years. Okay, so what are the things you are having? You're having your principal, you're having your number of years, and you're having your rate. Correct? So what is the formula? You just have to put it in the formula. That is P is 1500 and N is 3 years. And what is R? R is 5% per annum. Correct? What is formula for simple interest then? That is SI or I, whatever you say. That is P and R upon 100. 1500 into 3 into 5 upon 100. Do not write percentage here. To remove that percentage, I am dividing by 100. Okay? So there should not be any percentage here. It is R percent, so that's why I'm just putting 5 divided by 100. Yeah, so in this question, this was P, this was N, this was R, that is 5% per annum. Do not write 5% here, okay? It is, we are dividing 100 to remove that percent sign. And just completed क्या आएगा ये? This is cancel. 45 FISA, that is 225 I think. Am I correct? Just quickly verify. Yeah, perfect. Second, find the simple interest on rupees 2000 just 1 second. What happened to this? Oh, I lost that question. Find the simple interest on 2000 rupees for 4.5 years at 6% per annum. Okay, I'll give you 2 minutes, complete this and tell me. Get the value of P and R and put it in the formula and get the answer. What is P? 2000. What is N? And what is R? N is 4.5, correct? So ये 4.5 क्या रहेगा? 4.5 into 4 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 How will you solve 4.5? If you forget that, 4.5 means what? 4 plus half. That is cross multiply. It will be 8 plus 1 upon 2. And that is 9 upon 2 years. Do not confused with this. You just have to multiply with this guy and add plus 1. That means what? Another way to write this as 4 plus 1 upon 2. So how do you solve this? 8 plus 1 upon 2. That is 9 upon 2. And R is 6%. So let us put it in the formula. What is formula for simple interest? That is P and R upon 100. That is what? 2000 multiplied by what is N? Your N is 9 by 2 now. So it is 9 by 2 multiplied by what is your R? R is 6 and I'm putting divided by 100 here. Okay, just complete this. क्या आएगा ये? 0 0 cancel. This 2 will be cancelled with 10. Yeah, 540. Nice. Correct, yes. Okay, so let us do some more problem. Say Prabhu deposited 7500 in a bank for 4 years at simple interest rate 6.5% per annum. How much would be the final value? Okay, how will you do this? Anybody? Find the final value. Find the final value. What is value of P here? What is R and what is T? Sorry, R and N. P and R we are taking. Sometimes it is T. PRT बोलते हैं sometimes. And what is the formula for amount? Okay, P is 7500 and what is R? That is 6.5%. Right? You don't have to write percent if you want. And this is 4 year, correct. What is formula for amount? That is principal plus simple interest, correct? So you just you may do one thing. You can find first a simple interest, then you add it. That is also acceptable. Or you want to solve it like this, then also you can do whatever is okay to you. What is simple interest? 7500 into 6 R na 4 into 6.5 divided by 100. You just calculate. ये cancel हुआ and multiply this and add with this 7500. Get the final answer. Yes. You if you want चाहिए तो you can 7500 को कॉमन लेके भी कर सकते थे, whatever you feel correct, it is your choice. Okay, 9450. Anybody else with this answer? Okay, perfect, good. And see, अभी तक हम लोगों ने क्वेश्चन क्या किया? We try to find simple interest or amount, but there may be a case that in question simple interest is given or amount is given. Then you have to find one of the following, either P, either R, either N. There may be some question like that, whether where you have to find this thing. If you want, then I can give you one example. Okay, in how many years? Which number? Third, fourth, कौन सा है ये? Fourth. In how many years will a sum of 3800 amounts to 4370 at the simple interest rate 5% per annum. Okay, try to see what are the things given to you and try to solve the question. Yes, what are the things given to you? What is principal, what is amount here, and what is R and what is N? Is it clear that you have to find the value of N here? Is it clear to you? Because it is asking in how many years. So can you tell me what are the things now? What is PAR? R is 5%. Yes, what is P? This is P, and what is correct, and this is amount, correct. So which formula you will be using? What is the formula for amount? P plus SI, correct. So can I get the value of SI from here? That is SI will be A minus P. Do you agree? So let us do that. क्या आएगा बोलो? 4370 minus 3800. Tell me what is the answer of SI? It would be, I think, 570, na? 570 seems. Just check. Perfect. Once you are having your SI, now can I apply my formula for SI? That is simple interest equal to P into N into R upon 100. Let us put the values. I would like to find N, ना? So you can do one thing, you can write N aside. So इसको इधर multiply करता हूँ मैं. So I'll be having SI into 100 and divide by P into R, that is equal to 1. Do you agree? मैंने कैसे लिखा ये? I just did the cross multiplication here and ये सब multiply था तो it will be divided here. So what is the value of n? Just I have to put the values. SI क्या है? That is 570 multiply by 100 divided by, okay, let us see, divided by, that is 3800 and multiply by rate was 6%, correct? No, it is 5%, correct. What is the value of n? Do that. N equal to 3. Anybody else? Nice. Okay. So like how in some question you have to ask whether simple interest compound or ऐसा ही कुछ रहा तो you should able to do that. I hope there should not be any issue. Is that okay? Yeah, good. Let us see some more problems. There may be some question like asking about difference between some simple interest or something like that. So there will be two principal given and no sorry, principal will be same. There will be two different interest rate will be given and time period will be same. Then if you would like to ask what will be your principal or some let us do one problem, you'll understand it. Number 5, no, I think. Mandar borrowed a total sum 30,000 from two different money lenders. From two different money lenders. For one loan, he paid 13% SI, and for other, he paid 9% SI. The total interest paid for the first year is 3140. So the question is how much did he borrow? Did he borrow from each money lender? Read the question and tell me what are the things given and what you have to find out. You are having two money lenders here, and what is unknown to me? Yes, what is unknown to me? I don't know. Yeah, I don't know principal of each of them, but what I know that is total principal is this 30,000. Mandar borrowed a total sum is 30,000. That means if for first money lender he had borrowed something, for second he had borrowed something, their sum must be 30,000. Agreed? Perfect. Now let us see. See, total sum is 30,000 and he borrowed from two money lenders. So you may write first money lender. Suppose I'm writing first money lender. Suppose principal is X. सो व्हाट डू यू थिंक सेकंड के लिए प्रिंसिपल क्या रहेगा? व्हाट विल बी माय प्रिंसिपल हियर? Very nice, 30,000 minus x, because their addition should be 30,000. Nice. So their addition is now that is satisfying my condition. Correct. And what is rate of interest here for first money lender? What is rate? And for the second, what is rate? Perfect. This is 13%. This is 9%. Okay. What next I need? Something else is given to me. Correct. The total interest paid. That means what I'm having total interest. Total interest that is given to me, that is 3140. But what will be my total interest? It is SI of first money lender plus SI of second money lender. Agreed? So what is SI of first guy? And what is SI of second? Formula is same, PNR. But for the first one I am having P as X, N as N to same hai na, I think. N is 1 year. Here he is talking about 1 year into R. For the first one R is 13 and divided by 100. And what is the second guy? It is 30,000 minus x and into 1 into 9. Correct? Divided by 100. Oh yes. So what will be this? This is 13x upon 100 and this is 30,000 minus x into 9 upon 100. Correct? Now you just have to substitute it here and you have to solve it. Correct? So this is 13 upon x, 13x upon 100 plus this is 30,000 minus x, no, 30,000 minus x into 9 upon 100, and that is equal to 3140. What is the first thing you will do here? Yes, look at the denominator, it is 100. So can I write it together? That is 13x. I would like to write it together and divide by 100 and right hand side 3140. You can multiply by 100 also both the side, that is also acceptable. So 9 3s are 27, so it will be 27 4 zeros there, yes, and minus 9x. So just solve it, get the value of x quickly. 13 minus 9, that is 4x, so it will be 4x equal to 314000 minus 27. Correct? Subtract and get the value of x. Okay, x is equal to 11,000. Anybody else? Anyone else? Anybody else with this? Yeah, perfect. Okay, good. So that means what is the principal? That is he borrowed 11,000 from. What is principal for the first money lender? He borrowed 11,000 from this guy and 30,000 minus 11,000 from the second money lender. Agreed? So what is that? 19,000. So you may write in the final answer, that is from the first money lender he borrowed 11,000 and from the second moneylender he borrowed 19,000. Addition should be 30. Correct? Yeah, is that okay? Nice. Okay, so let us do some more examples. Do I have some time? 11:20, yes. Question number that was 5. Let us do one more problem. Question number 6. If the simple interest is 1 by 4 of the principal and number of years, the number of years and rate of SIR in ratio 4:1. Find the rate of interest and number of years. Find rate of interest and number of years. Yeah, I'll give you 2 minutes. Try to solve this. Anybody, do you have any idea how to start? What is the first thing you got to see from the first statement? That is I equal to 1 by 4 times P. I is your simple interest. Huh? And what else? Ratio of number of year and rate, that is n raised to r, that is equal to 4:1. Agreed? Am I correct? So from here can you get something? That means n upon r equal to 4 upon 1. So can I get something n equal to 4r? Yes. And from here I am having I equal to 1 by 4 p, or let us do one thing, or can I write p equal to 4i? Okay, so which formula should I use now? Should I use the formula for I? What is formula for I? That is P n R upon 100. Correct? What is the value of I, or let it be as it is? I P का value क्या लिखा गया हम लोगों ने? 4i. So it will be 4i. It will be 4i multiplied by, let us keep n का value क्या है? 4r. So I'll be writing 4r, and one more r is already there, so it will be r square divided by 100. Is that clear? Do you see I इधर भी है, I इधर भी है, cancel. So what is the final answer? Can you quickly tell me what is the value of r? Yes, 16 r square equal to 100 now. So what is r square? R square will be 16.25, I think. Sorry, 6.25. Sorry. Correct. So what is my r? 2.5, no? Yes, 2.5%. So I got the value of r. एक तो काम हो गया अपना, that is rate of interest मिल गया. What is next thing? You want to find number of years. वो कैसे निकालोगे? Yes, n equal to 4r. So you just multiply 4 into 2.5, that is 10. That is 10 years. Correct? Nice. So you are having both the answer. No. So this is how the question will be there in your exam. Uh, if I give some more, maybe. Yeah, I'll give some question for homework to you. You try that. Let us do one last question, maybe. If I'm having time. 34. Yeah, okay, no issue. I'll put this some problems in Google Classroom. Try to solve that. Try to use the same technique of simple interest and try to do that. Okay. Thank you so much, everyone. Bye. Take care.